Many cybercriminals hide the header and clone emails from legitimate companies to gain the user's trust. An elderly person or someone who carelessly opens a fraudulent email can see their financial security affected. If you're a lucky person, they only steal your information. But most of the time, they empty your bank account. Many times the police can't do anything because the attacks are carried out from other countries using VPNs. And when the hacker lives in the same country, they are not always caught. Avoid headaches and protect yourself from phishing. Email anti-spoofing is a tool that will deeply analyze the email by means of the source code of the message. Once the data is obtained, the program will show you the statuses of the security protocols SPF, DMARC, and DKIM on screen. This way you will know if the message is legitimate and also know the address of the sender. Email anti-spoofing works with Microsoft Outlook,